my name is Niki and I come from Cyprus. Today I'm here with my friend the Dutch duck because as you can see I love animals. I do not have any special talents, but I really enjoy trying out new things, such as playing the piano, the guitar, dancing, and things like that. And even though I do not master any of these arts, I really have fun trying them out. I wouldn't say that I'm a sports person, but I really enjoy trying out new sports such as ski and surf and snowboard, and even though they end up really bad with bruises and stuff, I don't care because I have a lot of fun trying them out. As you know, I come from Cyprus, the island that is surrounded by the sea, so one thing I really enjoy doing during summer and winter is freediving. I cannot dive here to show you, but check out some pictures. My biggest dream is to travel the whole world with a backpack and then settle down in Australia in a small house next to the sea so I can swim and dive and surf the whole day because I will learn how to surf, and this is a public statement. As you can see, I really like fishing, but with the old traditional way. Oh, I got something! I got something! Oh, it's a sushi! Look! Oh, more! It's a fish finger! Oh, oh! Wow! And a salmon fillet! This is a magic lake! You can fish sushi and fish finger and even salmon fillet. Only in Osburg, ladies and gentlemen. I was kidding, I have no idea how to fish, but I really like making jokes and having fun. I always try to find something funny to do because we all know that life is hard sometimes, and if we cannot find something to laugh at, then we can definitely create it. Now you know a few things about... No, please, sorry. Excuse me. Now you know a few things about me, right? Yes, she does. It's too bad that we are leaving next week, but you're all welcome to come to Cyprus. Bye!